It's October 10th, 2023, and we are at breakfast. Today is the actual birthday's boy birthday. 30 years old.
30.
How you feel?
Oh. Woke up, back with her. Kneecap hurt.
What else?
Still my hamstring playing with you yesterday.
Alright guys, stay tuned for the rest of the day.
At the spa, getting ready to get hydrotherapy and this hot stone massage. I hope they don't make us hop in that sauna. You think we have to do the sauna?
Yeah.
Last time we did that sauna, it was so hot, bro. It was the worst thing. It was just burning up.
Sir, this is your turkey.
Okay,
Now,
thank
lady,
you.
this is for you.
We're gonna have to part ways. Let's just share like I'm coming there with you. I'm gonna come there with you.
There are other women in there. No.
Ain't nobody else in here, man. But anyway, yeah, that hoe won't got through the sauna. That had us dying in there. About 100+ degrees.
Over that.
Oh. Getting ready to eat that spice. This is the Teppanyaki spot for my birthday. Oh, wipe y'all off. Okay. Got a nice little breeze going here.
7, 8, 9. Down. Damn. My face. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Hey, the two Okay, take it easy. Okay, no more show.
Yeah, this is dope, dude.
Okay. I love my hair. Oh! Then a whoop for the end. Get me another W win.
Jacuzzi time with the view and the sound of the ocean over there. Really foggy because it's so hot and humid, and it's almost midnight.